Hi guys, it's Tom. I got a 3D printer recently to help me make a router template for an upcoming build when it gets warmer. But I've been going crazy designing and printing things this winter, and here's one of the things I made. So what is this crazy little thing that looks like a small table with 2 holes and 2 folding legs? Here's a hint. You put 2 of these in the holes. If you have one of those fancy Nespresso Vertuo coffee makers that makes coffee better by making it dizzy, this pod holder will make refilling easier so you can save some money. Just save your old pods and get some of these stickers using the link in the description. I'm going to start by grinding some coffee to a medium fine grind, the same size I use for pour over coffee. You can use pre-ground coffee here too if you want. I'm not here to judge you. If you hate your tongue and don't want to feel good in the morning, that's your business. I'm going to use a digital kitchen scale here to be more precise about how much coffee goes in the pod. I designed the pod holder with folding legs because I thought it would save some space and filament, and in case the legs break, they're easy to replace. Now place the clean and dry pods in the holes and tare the scale. Set the units to grams. Carefully fill up each pod. The small espresso ones have 5 to 7 grams of coffee in them. The medium double shot ones have 9.5 to 10 grams. The large coffee mug ones have 12.5 to 13 grams, and sometimes I'll put a little more in there. When the pod is full, place one of the foil lids on top. I added a ridge around the pod to help position the lid better. Use your finger to press the lid so the adhesive makes a good bond with the pod. Next, fold over the lid to the underside and press it down to seal. Sorry about the blurry video. If you have a 3D printer, check the link to visit my blog post to see where you can download the STL files to print your own. If you don't have a 3D printer, I'll print and give away some. Leave a comment telling me your favorite Nespresso Vertuo coffee flavor, along with I want one so I know you want to be in the drawing, and subscribe to my channel. When I reach certain milestones, like reaching 1,000 subscribers or number of views, I'll randomly pick an entry that's a subscriber to send one of these to. So it would help if you share this with friends on social media so I give away more. See the description for more details. Hope you liked this.